Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another brief opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I will be using it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. Okay, if you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. Okay, I use this platform to explain to you different strategies which you can use to milk the market successfully. So all you just need to do is just for you to take your time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of it, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. If you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, these are the assets that I will be checking out one after the other. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up on the analysis. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, we will be starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame, and now I am using the 3M trend milk trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay, so right from this resistance zone, okay, it started a downtrend, and of course you can see the red flag, got to this support zone, played around there for a while, but broke out below it around here, and of course it is still selling, heading towards another support zone. Okay, so if it's unable to break out from there, it will go back into a buy trend, but if it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment. This might not be for a very long time, most especially if it's unable to break out below the support zone. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500. It started from this support zone and it started an uptrend, got to this region, had a major pullback, and went back up again to get to this resistance zone. Okay, it had another pullback and played around there for a while before giving up a downtrend signal, and it started selling right from there. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, so we should take note of that. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 1000. It started a downtrend right from the resistance zone, and of course it kept on selling even though there are major pullbacks in between, and it played around there for a while before breaking out below it. So it's crashed down till it got to this support zone. If it's unable to break out below the support zone, it will go back on an uptrend. So this is still selling at the moment. This might not be for a very long time before it will change the direction into a buy trend, most especially if it's unable to break out below the support zone. Okay, so we should take note of that, but wait for the signals to show up before you go fully into an uptrend. Okay, the next asset is going to be crash 500. Crash 500 had been on uptrend before, but got to this resistance zone, was unable to break out from there, so it started a downtrend from there, and it has been crashing down since then. Okay, it has got into this support zone. If it's unable to break out from here, then it will go back into an uptrend. Okay, but for now it is still selling until it is unable to break out from that support zone. That is when it will go back into an uptrend. Okay, so we should get ready for that. Okay, if you are still selling, make sure you lock more than 80% of your profit, because the CIT can take over from here any moment from now. Okay, now let's go straight to volatility 75. This is volatility 75. It started a downtrend from the resistance zone and kept on selling and selling and selling, and it is still selling at the moment. If it's unable to break out below the support zone, it will go back into an uptrend, but for now it is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. This might not be for a very long time, most especially if it's unable to break out below the support zone. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so let's take note of that. Okay, so this is still selling, and of course it might not be for a very long time, like I said earlier. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Okay, for those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.